Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Mexico represents one of the largest and most dynamic medical device markets in Latin America. However, for years, gaining market access has been a complex and time-consuming process. Today, we are diving into a significant regulatory shift that is changing the landscape for medtech manufacturers globally. Mexico's health authority, COFEPRIS, has introduced transformative reforms, specifically a new abbreviated pathway and expanded homologation options to speed up approvals. Historically, Mexico's equivalence pathway was quite limited. It only recognized marketing authorizations from three specific regulatory bodies: the FDA in the United States, Health Canada, and the PMDA in Japan. If your device was approved elsewhere, for instance, with a CE mark in Europe, you were typically required to undergo a full, independent review process in Mexico. This meant submitting a complete technical dossier from scratch, often leading to lengthy and unpredictable review timelines. The game has now changed with the introduction of the new abbreviated pathway, often associated with the COFEPRIS 04050 procedure. This reform expands the list of recognized regulatory authorities. This means that approvals from several other stringent bodies can now be used to significantly accelerate the registration process in Mexico. This process is a form of homologation, where COFEPRIS recognizes the work and standards of another trusted agency as equivalent to its own. Let's consider a real-world scenario to understand the impact. Imagine a German company that manufactures an innovative orthopedic implant. Their device has already secured a CE mark under the new MDR regulations, which involves a rigorous assessment of safety and performance. Under the old system, entering the Mexican market would mean starting a new, multi-year regulatory journey. They would face extensive documentation requests and a long queue for review by COFEPRIS. With the new abbreviated pathway, this company can now leverage its existing CE certification. Instead of a full dossier, they can submit a package that includes their CE certificate and other key technical documents, which COFEPRIS now accepts as proof of compliance. This doesn't eliminate the process, but it dramatically shortens it. The review focuses on verifying the existing approval and ensuring local requirements, like labeling in Spanish, are met. This can reduce the approval timeline from over a year to just a matter of months. For medtech manufacturers, this is a pivotal development. It lowers the barrier to entry into a key LATAM market, reduces regulatory costs, and accelerates revenue generation. However, it's important to note that this is not a simple copy and paste process. Companies still must have a local registration holder in Mexico. The submission dossier needs to be meticulously prepared according to COFEPRIS guidelines, and all technical and legal documents must be correctly translated and apostilled. Navigating the specifics of the homologation agreement requires deep local expertise. Understanding these new reforms is crucial for any medtech or IVD company looking to expand its footprint in Latin America. For expert guidance on leveraging Mexico's new abbreviated pathway and ensuring a smooth market entry, please email or visit Pure Global.